Here I've got Doogee Mix, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to find and select the settings. Then scroll down, locate and open display and go to the wallpaper. It's time to select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from, and I will choose one from the wallpapers. And as you can see now, simply select the picture that you would like to cover your screen with. You can also choose one live wallpaper, for example this one. And in my case it will be the orange one. Then click on Set Wallpaper and finally decide if you want this picture to cover just your home screen, your lock screen, or maybe both of them. And I will pick the third option. And that's it. As you can see, from now on you've got a brand new wallpaper on your home screen and also on the lock screen. Here it is. So that would be all. This is how you can change wallpaper on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.